Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some country cottage style home decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Country cottage style home decor is a warm, charming and timeless decorating style that captures the sense of simple countryside living, filled with comfort, nostalgia and natural beauty. Here is a detailed look at what defines this cozy and heartwarming decor style. Overall feel, country cottage decor feels relaxed, welcoming and homey. It is about creating spaces that look lived in and loved, not overly perfect or modern. Every corner should invite you to sit down, unwind and enjoy the moment. Furniture style: use vintage or antique wooden furniture, slightly worn distressed finishes add charm. Mix and match pieces: a painted table with old chairs, a wicker armchair beside a rustic cabinet. Use comfortable plush sofas with floral or plain fabrics are classic choices. Use natural materials. Country cottage decor embraces organic textures, wood, for flooring, beams, and furniture. Use cotton, linen, and lace fabrics, wicker baskets, and rattan accents. Stone or brick for fireplaces or kitchen walls. These materials connect the indoors to nature. Patterns and textiles: playful but gentle patterns bring the cottage charm. Florals, gingham, stripes, and checks. Quilted or crocheted blankets. Use ruffled cushions and embroidered details. Layering of fabrics for a cozy collected look. Decor elements: fresh flowers in vintage jugs or messengers. Use antique mirrors, clocks, and framed prints. Use porcelain teacups, lace curtains, and handmade crafts. Use candles, lanterns, or fairy lights for soft romantic lighting. Emotional essence: country cottage decor is heartfelt and nostalgic. It celebrates family memories and a slower pace of life. It feels like a sweet escape to a countryside retreat where every detail tells a story. Let's go deeper into the country cottage style home decor, exploring its art, atmosphere, and special details that makes it so beloved and timeless. The heart of country cottage style: at its core, country cottage style is about creating a space that feels peaceful, nostalgic, and personal, like stepping into a warm memory. It celebrates the beauty of imperfection, handmade charm, and the quiet poetry of rural life. It blends vintage simplicity with natural warmth, drawing inspiration from the English countryside, French farmhouses, and old-fashioned cottages surrounded by gardens and nature. Atmosphere and emotion: the mood is romantic, gentle, and comforting. There is a feeling of tranquil simplicity, a slow rhythm of life. It often evokes memories of family homes, cozy afternoons, and the scents of freshly baked bread. It is a place where everything feels meaningful, from the cheap teacup to the own armchair. Design philosophy: lived in beauty. Perfection is not the goal. Warmth and authenticity are mixed, don't match. Different textures, eras, and patterns come together harmoniously. Storytelling decor: every item, a clock, a lace toile, or floral plate tells a story of history and art. Key materials: country cottage interiors are filled with organic tactile materials that add depth and soul: wood, aged oak, painted pine, or whitewashed finishes. Fabrics: linen, cotton, lace, crochet, and embroidery. Metals: use wood, iron, brass, or tin for candle holders and frames. Ceramics: hand-painted pottery, stoneware, and enamelware. These natural textures create warmth and a sense of connection to nature and craft. Furniture and layout. Furniture should feel inviting and timeless, often a mix of hand-me-downs, antiques, or flea market finds. Plus, comfy armchairs and slip-covered sofas. Use window wooden dressers, hutches, and farmhouse tables. Displays are repainted furniture that tells a story. Cozy reading corners and window seat filled with cushions. The layout is casual, open, and unpretentious, made for living, not showing off. Decor and accents. Charming touches bring the cottage to life. Floral prints and patterns, often roses, wildflowers, or tile. Collections. Teacups, old books, framed embroidery, or chairs of buttons. Soft lining. Landscape, fairy lights, and candles for golden warmth. Vintage finds, clocks, messengers, typewriters, or lace tablecloths. Botanical touches. Use fresh flowers, dried herbs, or potted plants. Colors and light. Color in Country Cottage Decor is soft, romantic, and inspired by nature. Whites and creams create light and spaciousness. Pastel pinks, blues, greens, and lavenders add charm. Muted earth tones like warm beige, faded brown, or soft gray crown the palette. Natural light is essential. Open curtains, airy fabrics, and sunny windows bring a glow. The soul of Country Cottage Decor, Mound Design. This style is about emotion and atmosphere. It speaks of simplicity over luxury, comfort over perfection, nature over artificiality, sentiment over trend. A true country cottage home feels personal, poetic, and deeply human. A place where time solace and beauty blooms quietly. Layering and textures. One of the hallmarks of this style is layering different textures to create warmth and visual interest. Textiles use quads, knitted throws, lace curtains, embroidered cushions, and patterned rugs. Furniture surfaces mix distressed wood, painted finishes, and wicker for thicker objects. Combine ceramics, glass jars, metal lanterns, and vintage frames. Layering makes the space feel inviting, cozy, and tactile. Personalization and storytelling. Country Cottage Decor trims on personal touches and items with history, heirlooms and antiques. Use old trunks, rocking chairs, or family photos. Dye and handmade items, crochet towels, painted jars, or homemade threads. Collection, plates, teapots, or vintage kitchen tools displayed on shelves. Every item has a story, giving the home character and soul. Connection to nature. The countryside feel is central. Indoor plants use potted herbs, ferns, or flowering plants. Fresh flowers use seasonal buckets in vases or jars. Use natural materials like wood, stone, linen, cotton, terminate. Outdoor inspired elements use floral prints, botanical wallpapers, and landscape paintings. Nature is woven seamlessly into every corner, keeping the atmosphere fresh and peaceful. Practical layout and function. Spaces are lived-in and functional, not purely decorative. Open shelving in kitchen to display dishes and glassware. Comfortable setting for family gatherings. Nooks and corners use reading chairs, window seat, or small writing desks. Function and beauty go hand in hand, creating a practical yet charming home. The emotional core. Country Cottage Style is not just about visuals, it is about feeling at home, a slower pace of life, appreciating small joys, spaces that invite relaxation, conversation, and comfort. Nostalgia. Decor evokes memories of simpler times, whimsy and charm. Nothing needs to be perfect. Beauty comes from character. This style is layered, poetic, and soulful. It is not just a look, it is a lifestyle. Emphasize on imperfection and authenticity. Shabby aesthetic. Slightly owned furniture, paint, and faded textiles are celebrated. Authentic materials, wood grain, hand-woven fabrics, and natural fibers are left visible and unpolished. Unique items, mismatched chairs, tables, and crockery create character and charm, reflecting a home that is truly lived in. This imperfection is not a flaw, it is the soul of the cottage style. Mix of old and new. Country Cottage Decor blends services with practicality. Vintage or antique furniture paired with modern comforts, soft mattress, practical lighting, and cozy upholstery. Modern kitchen appliances hidden behind rustic cabinetry. Contemporary artworks framed in antique style frames to maintain a nostalgic feel. This mix ensures the home is charming yet functional. Use of patterns and motifs. Patterns tell a story and give a cottage home warmth and personality. Floral motifs. Use roses, lavender, and wildflowers. Plains and gingham and contains cushions or tablecloths. Lifestyle and philosophy. Encouraging slow living, appreciating small joys, connecting with family, enjoying nature. Personalized spaces. Every corner reflects memories, travel, or craft. Flexible and inviting. Rooms are made for gathering, rest, and creativity. Seasonal adaptation. Decor changes supply with the seasons. Light pastels in spring, cozy throws in winter, and fresh greenery in summer. Country cottage style is not just decoration, it is a way of living. It is warm, nostalgic, and soulful. It blends natural materials, soft shooting colors, cozy functional furniture, layered patterns and textures, personal, handmade, and vintage elements. The ultimate goal is a home that feels intimate, charming, and timeless, a century full of warmth and personality. Origins and inspiration inspired by rural cottages in England, France, and the countryside of Europe. These styles celebrate the simplicity, nature, and tradition. The look is influenced by farmhouses, pastoral landscape, and handmade crafts. It reflects the lifestyle that values comfort over grandeur, warmth over minimalism, and storytelling over trends. Furniture and structure. Furniture is typically solid wood, often painted or distressed, with soft curves and simple lines. Mix and match pieces create an organic collected over time feeling. Large, comfortable setting is important. Overstuffed sofas, armchairs, and window seats invite relaxation. Tables, dressers, and cabinets are often painted in pastels, whites, or faded tones for a gentle, own look. Nature and seasonal influence, indoor plants, flowers, and herbs bring the outdoors in. Seasonal decoration enhances the feeling of connection to nature. Spring, fresh blooms, light linens. Summer, pastel fabrics and airy curtains. Autumn, warm tones, plaid throws, and pumpkins. Winter, candles, pine cones, cozy quilts. Nature is not just decoration, it is woven into daily life, enhancing peace and well-being. Lifestyle philosophy. Country cottage style is more than decoration, it is a way of life. Encourages solar living, mindful routines, and connection with family and nature. Celebrate this imperfection and authenticity. Tipped furniture, own fabrics, and personal treasures. Promotes comfort and intimacy. Spaces invite sitting, reading, crafting, or gathering with loved ones. Allows for personal storytelling. Heirlooms, handmade crafts, and collections create a home full of memory and meaning. Key takeaways. Soft natural colors and layered textures. Vintage textiles and handmade furniture. Use floral, plaid, and gingham patterns. Warm, cozy lighting and natural light. Use seasonal touches and nature integration. Emphasize on comfort, personality, and storytelling. The result is a home that is cozy, romantic, nostalgic, and inviting, where every corner feels alive, personal, and timeless. The complete feeling. A country cottage home is soft, layered, and tactile, pastel and earthy in colors, full of vintage, handcrafted, or heirloom pieces, cozy, inviting, and story-filled, connected to nature and the seasons. It blends beauty, comfort, and personality, creating a space that is both practical and poetic. I think today's ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.